2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 50! Ang dami na natin ball. 50 na. Okay, scoop. One by one. No, scoop. Ang daya pala. Orange! Ano ba yan? Dinakot na naman ng dinakot. Magkakahulog yan. Dapat ganun, no? Tingnan mo ako. Oh. Scoop. Oh. Ganun, no? Ganun lang. Oh. Ganun. Yan. Very good. Scoop. Ganun. What? Pink. Iisip pa. Iisip pa. Where is the color? What color is that? Pink. Orange. Blue. Where's the color blue? Muy. Ang count natin. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Balik kami. Kahit ayaw mo mag-isilip. Hintay mo ako? Yes. Hindi ka nag-isilip, hintay mo ako. Hintay mo ako? Orange. Where is the color blue? Get the color blue. Blue. Where is the color green? Get the color green. Green. How about green? Yes. Very good. Say green. Oh no. Green. Where is the color pink? Pink. Where's the color orange? Say orange. Orange. Oh no. Oh no. Hindi po yun. Orange. Ano ba? You want to go to Pure Gold?
No.
Let's go to Pure Gold.
No.
Ha?
Okay.
Magkaganon kayo ng small ball. Ang kuyit.
Look.
Yup! Scoop?
Look.